Hey guys, welcome to Daddy's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make for you a pineapple buttermilk loaf cake with pineapple juice for the frosting. So let me get started here. I have 1 cup of buttermilk. I'm gonna have 1 cup of sugar. This is a 1/2 cup, so I gotta add another one. I'm gonna have 2 cups of self-rising flour. I have 3 eggs, and I have 1 stick of butter, and 1 cup of crushed pineapple. I'm letting it drain right now, okay? And then I have my loaf pan all ready to go. And later on, I will make the frosting for the cake. So here is the cream cheese here, and I have the powdered sugar. I will get that and put it on the table in a little bit. Okay, so let us get started, okay? All right, let me add the sugar. This is a 1/2 cup, like I said. So let me add another 1/2 cup. And the reason I added the sugar to the sieve here is so that I can push through some of the lumps in the sugar. I don't know why, but it is. So let me do that. I don't know if you heard about this cake that I'm baking today. Now this cake originated in the South during the 20th century. A lot of people were making this cake because they had pineapples. They had lots of pineapples in cans. So the pineapples would kind of help sweeten the cake. So therefore they didn't have to use so much sugar. But this is a delicious cake, and I hope you will make this cake. It's very good. Okay, let me add the butter. This is room temperature butter. Okay. Add the buttermilk. This is 1 cup of buttermilk. And 3 eggs. I'll add the flour. It's 1 cup. That's 2. That's right, this is a 1/2 cup. That's 1 cup. That's 1 cup of flour. I have to add 2 cups of flour. I have to add 2 cups of flour. And that's about 2 cups, okay? All right. And the self-rising flour, it's got baking powder and salt in it. So I will add just a little bit of salt to the recipe, not that much. Okay, let me add the salt. Okay, I would say that's just a pinch of salt. It's not much at all. Okay. My mother used to bake cakes like this. She would hardly ever use her mixer. She would just do it with a fork or something like that. We're gonna add the pineapples. I drained the crushed pineapple. So let me add it to the dish here. All right. And I'm gonna use some of that juice for the frosting. Okay, let me preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Okay, let me spray this pan. While I'm thinking about it. I'll spray this. Okay. Okay, let me get my spatula. All right, let me place it in the oven here. Okay, I'm gonna let it bake for 45 to 55 minutes. Okay, and while that's baking, I'm gonna go ahead and wash some of these dishes, and I'll show you how I make the frosting. Okay. Okay, let's make sure it is done in the inside. I'll let it cook about 55 minutes. Okay, that looks pretty good. It's very moist. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool off. I'm gonna go ahead and make the frosting for the cake. The cake has cooled off, so let me go ahead and do that. We need 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of powdered sugar, of sugar. Okay. I thought I had powdered sugar, but I don't. So I'm gonna use regular sugar. Okay. And I need a tablespoon of the pineapple juice. This is a half a tablespoon, so add another one, okay. That makes 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna just eyeball this. Okay, there we go. It smells delicious. I was going to use this red plate, but this is not going to work with this cake, so let me find another. Okay, this one will work better. Okay, let's see if we can take the cake out of the pan. And it comes out of the pan. Oh, okay. That's beautiful. So moist. Beautiful. I'm not the greatest at decorating a cake, but it's gonna taste good. That I do know. Okay, now let me cut it. That looks good. Yummy. Ooh. I'm making a mess over here. Let me taste it. It is delicious. Icing is delicious too. The cake is delicious. The icing is delicious. That is some good cake. That is some delicious cake. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.